Hi, Dr. Jeff Mulligan here. The BLEAT to Book app is now available on the BLEAT website. Just use Microsoft Edge to use it. Let me show you how it works.
This is the BLEAT to Book app login page. If you're registered, fill in these boxes. Otherwise, click here to register as a new user. One thing to note in this registration page is that you either log in as a sessional GP or as a practice administrator. Once you have made your choice, it then takes up to 72 hours to receive your validation code, and that's when you can begin booking. BLEAT to Book, and this is me as the locum, and I can set my availabilities for any day of the week and for the weeks of the year for a whole 6 months. And this is the color code of the different keys. So red is unmatched availability, pink is for matched availability, yellow is for available but not yet matched, pink, orange for pending, and green for booked. Okay, so if I go and set my availability, first thing I do is check which practice I want to see my availabilities. So I can go here, for instance, and I'll put in Devonish practice, click it like so, and I can then set my availabilities for Devonish practice to see. So let's imagine I just choose Saturday mornings in April and May. So once that's all done, I click save, and I can see now what availabilities I have put up. And if I turn to Devonish practice, then I can refresh the page and I'll see that these are all the available shifts that some locum is looking to do. That's on my list, and Devonish is on their list. Okay, so GP is available for the slot, but you aren't. So update your availability for the slot to be matched. So I can set availability for Saturday mornings, just for April, let's say, and save that. And then we see that these are now turned pink, which means they're matched with someone. And if I click on that cell, I can see that they're matched with Jeff Mulligan. So Devonish Practice and Jeff Mulligan have a link, and I can now, as Devonish Practice, book this locum. I can add a comment saying we pay so much, and then I click book, and you can see that this is now turned orange. So if I go back to Dr. Jeff Mulligan, refresh the page, we'll see that that session here has been partially booked and there are two matched sessions remaining. If I go into a matched session, I can see that it's Devonish Practice is looking for me, and if I go to the orange pending booking, I can then choose to accept or decline. So if I choose accept, we now have a green booking. And if I wanted to add to the comments, I can go in and edit and add my own comment here and update. So if I go back to Devonish Practice, I can refresh the page and see that this orange turned green and the comments are here. And I can cancel that booking if I now wish, but otherwise I'll close it. And you see that this shorthand key tells me who the doctor is. So for Devonish Practice, I have Dr. Jeff Mulligan booked for Saturday the 3rd of April and the 10th of April, for example. And I'm using weekends so that you can practice booking and on booking with me, Dr. Jeff Mulligan, and Devonish Practice. That'll just be for weekends for the coming months until you're used to the setup. In the downloads page here, you can see there are a number of downloadable products. The top four are spreadsheets to help organize your practice or organize your sessional requirements. And then there's PDF guides to how to use these organizers. And then there's the Form A sheet here. Now, how to use these is all contained in either the guides or in the short videos that you see on entry to the BLEAT website. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.